guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my hair care routine, which so many of you have already requested on my channel. I've been contemplating it a lot because the hair care routine that I follow when I have keratin on my hair versus the one which I have, after that is quite different. So today I'm going to be showing you what I use after, all the keratin treatments, goodness has started to fade away. So if you're new here, hi, my name is Vinisha. Thank you so much for tuning in, and please don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and click on the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I post a new video. Now, without any more further delay, let's just jump into the video, and I'm going to be showing you my hair care routine as well as how I style my hair. So let's get started. Okay, the first thing that I would like to show you guys is the shampoo that I'm using. So now, because I don't have any conditions that I have to use a sulfate free shampoo or anything, I've stopped using the Argan Oil shampoo, and now I'm using a shampoo only for my scalp. And trust me, I'm not using anything for my hair, and for that I'm using this shampoo from Bodyshop. It is an anti-dandruff shampoo. Like, I have insane dandruff, and this is something that helps me get rid of it for at least a temporary period. So this is a ginger shampoo by Bodyshop, which is for dry flaky scalp, and it's like a scalp care shampoo. So this is the one which I'm currently using now. So I use the shampoo only on my roots, and I'm not applying it anywhere else. And for my lens, I'm using a deep nourishing mask, which is from Bella, and this is the SP Lux Oil Keratin Restore Mask. So this is how it comes. It is like a very thick cream. So I apply this exactly like how I apply conditioner. I just take it, apply it on my hair, leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes, and then rinse it away. So this is the simple shampoo and conditioner routine that I'm following for my very dry hair. Now next, after washing my hair, and when my hair is 70% dry, I go ahead and apply a leave-in conditioner, and the one which I'm currently using is this one from L'Oreal. This is the Dream Lens. So it's 2 or 3 times since I started using this. You guys recommended me. I asked a question in Instagram, and so many of you said this one is great. It is good, a really good leave-in conditioner for anyone with anyone hair. But I would say for my extremely dry, damaged hair, this is not up to the mark, I would say. So or I can say that I need a lot of quantity of this product for my hair compared to what I normally use. So I'm gonna definitely use this on days where I don't feel styling my hair or anything. I'm definitely going to use this leave-in conditioner, and then followed by that I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Paris Nourishing Oil Serum. So this is for thick, very dry hair. So yeah, this is the variant that I use. So I apply a leave-in conditioner, then take some serum, and then apply it on my hair. And that is exactly what I have done to my hair right now. I washed it, applied the leave-in conditioner as well as this serum. So this is what I have in my hair currently. So another thing which I do is, if I am going for any event or going out somewhere, what I normally do is I apply the Olaplex leave-in conditioner. This is the number 6 bond smoothner. So apply this, and then I top it off with the Olaplex number 7 bonding oil. I have mentioned this before. So this is a heat protectant, and I apply this. And in case if I feel my hair is very dry, or I did not get the shine up to mark, then I use the Argan Oil treatment. So these two are completely separate things. So I either use the L'Oreal routine or the other Olaplex one. The Olaplex one is kind of expensive, so I just save it off for once in 2 to 3 washes I try using them, and the rest of the time I try using the other products. Now my hair is extremely dry, right? So I would like to use this serum on my hair, very little of the serum. So this is from OGX, and it is the Coconut Miracle Oil serum. So I'm going to be dividing my hair into 2 sections. Just a drop. So I have just taken a drop. Normally this is best to apply it on wet hair, when your hair is 70% dry, because it spreads evenly on your hair. But since my hair feels really dry right now, I'm using it right now. So can you see the difference? In this side I have applied just 1 drop of the serum, and in this side it's still really dry. I feel that the instant nourishment just shows. So this is how much I just took, very little. just going to be warming the product and just applying it on my hair. You have to be very careful when you apply products on dry hair because you easily tend to use a lot of product, whereas that doesn't happen when you do it on wet hair because you know that the product is going to spread like very easily. Because the hair is wet, it's like easier to spread it as well. So now since that everything is done, whatever is remaining on my hair, I'm just applying it here on the roots and here in the front so that the frizz is kind of reduced. So now that I've completely applied the product all over my hair, I'm using this detangling comb to just spread the product evenly on my hair. So if you start like combing your hair, the product where you applied kind of like spreads evenly. So I'm just going to be like doing that. Now since that is done, now my hair is like ready for styling and let's jump into it. So for straightening, I'm using my Dyson Coral and I'm going to be heating it in the highest temperature. So I've already showed you guys like how I used to style my hair, but I'm just going to be like quickly showing you how I do it. So normally when I have keratin on my hair, like the Dyson Airwrap is my go-to. So that works like really well for me, and because it's just like air technology and I just need like a little bit of curling below, that's like more than enough for me. But when the keratin kind of like fades away, trust me, I need a straightener. Like a straightener in like 210 degrees is the only thing that I could even think about using on my hair because it's super duper dry, trust me. So I'm going to be taking like small sections like this. Yes, my straightener is ready. So now I'm going to be ironing it just like in one pass, just twisting it like this and then bringing it down. And then I get a curl. So this is what I'm going to be doing all over my hair. So also before starting a section, I would like to take a small gapped comb and then just running it through so that there is no tangles at all. And then just have to hold it like this, like this, and then one pass, and then the second pass I would like to twist the hair like this and then bring down the straightener. Like I prefer curling my hair with a straightener more than a curler. Like somehow this is comfort for me, and I'm just going to be repeating the exact same process all over my hair. Yeah, just if you pass it and then you get like really chunky curls. So can you see the difference of how my hair looked like nice and tamed here and how my hair looks like really messy, wavy and without any proper shape in this side. So yeah, this is why I prefer using a straightener to get that neat look. Now let me just quickly complete this and get back to you. Yes, I have done it. So removing all my section clips now, if you see, and I'm just giving some bounce to my hair. Yeah, this is how my hair looks in the end. So if you see now, it's like all sleek and like beautiful with like soft curls in the end, whereas the top part is like straight and there's no frizz or anything here. So if you want, you can actually finish it with a hairspray, and if you want your curls to hold for a very long time, you can still do a spraying here. But generally I just don't do it. A little bit of wave is like 100% okay for me. So yeah, that's it. So that is how I style my hair, and this is the exact hair which you see in my hairstyle videos and everything. So this is exactly how I do it and how I get it done. So thank you so much for watching till here. So please do let me know in case you have any other questions related to hair, or if you need to see any other products, or if you also want me to try something, then please do let me know in the comments below. And I'll see you guys very soon in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.